Hello and welcome. Today we will practice slow and easy English together. Our story is about buying movie tickets at the box office. The English will be clear, simple, and beginner friendly. So please relax. Take your time. You do not need to understand every word. Just listen slowly and enjoy the story. In today's story, we will meet Mia. Mia wants to buy a movie ticket in English, but she feels nervous. She worries about making mistakes. Her friend Daniel stays with her and helps her practice. This is a very common real-life situation, and it is okay to feel shy sometimes. Here is today's listening question. What movie time does Mia finally choose? Listen carefully for the answer, and later you can write your answer in the comments for English practice. Okay, let's begin the story.
Daniel, I feel nervous.
It's okay, Mia.
My English is not very good.
You're doing well.
I want to buy a ticket, but I feel scared.
That's okay. Take your time.
What if I do not understand?
I'm here. I can help you.
Thank you.
What movie do you want to watch?
I want to watch Space Trip.
Good. That's simple.
I do not know what to say at the box office.
You can say, I want to buy a ticket.
I want to buy a ticket,
Very good.
but I still feel nervous.
It's okay to feel nervous.
Really?
Yes, many people feel nervous.
I do not want to make a mistake.
Mistakes are okay.
You think so?
Yes, you are learning.
Okay.
Let's practice together first.
Okay. Can you help me?
Of course.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
Maybe I can do it.
Yes, you can do it.
I want to try.
Great. Take your time.
Okay. I'm ready to practice.
Okay, Mia, let's practice.
Okay. I will try.
Hello, how can I help you?
I want to buy a ticket.
Very good.
Really?
Yes, you're doing well.
Okay, let's do it again.
Hello, how can I help you?
One ticket, please.
Great job.
What if they ask more questions?
That's okay, we can practice more.
Okay.
What movie do you want to watch?
Space Trip, please.
Good, very natural.
But movie times are hard for me.
We can practice that too.
Okay.
You can ask, what time is the movie?
What time is the movie?
Very good.
What time is the movie?
Nice, slow and clear.
Thank you.
Then maybe they will say the movie is at 7.
7 o'clock. Okay.
Yes.
What about the price?
Good question.
I always worry about money questions.
It's okay. Take your time.
Okay.
You can ask, how much is the ticket?
How much is the ticket?
Perfect.
How much is the ticket?
You're doing well.
I still feel a little nervous,
That's normal.
but I feel better now.
Good. I'm here with you.
Thank you, Daniel.
Are you ready to try for real?
I think so.
Great. Let's go slowly.
Okay, let's go.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I want to buy a ticket.
Sure. What movie would you like?
Space Trip, please?
Okay. What time would you like?
Sorry?
What time would you like?
Oh, yes.
We have a movie at 5 and a movie at 7.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Of course. We have a movie at 5 and a movie at 7.
5 and 7?
Yes, that's right. Take your time.
Thank you.
No problem.
I think 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock?
Yes.
Great. One ticket for 7 o'clock.
Okay.
Would you like a front seat or a middle seat?
Sorry?
A front seat or a middle seat?
I do not understand.
That's okay.
Sorry.
Front seat is close to the screen.
Okay.
Middle seat is in the center.
Oh, I see.
Which seat would you like?
I'm not sure.
Take your time.
Thank you.
You're doing well.
Really?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Thank you for your help.
So, would you like a front seat or a middle seat?
Middle?
Middle seat?
Yes, I think so.
Okay.
Sorry, what is middle again?
Middle means the center area.
Oh, the center.
Yes, that's right.
Is it far from the screen?
Not very far.
Oh, okay.
Many people like the middle seat.
Really?
Yes, it is comfortable.
Okay, middle seat, please.
Great.
Sorry, one more question.
Of course.
Is the seat upstairs?
Sorry?
Upstairs?
Oh, no, it is downstairs.
Downstairs, okay.
Theater 2, downstairs.
Thank you.
No problem.
I feel a little slow today.
It's okay. Take your time.
Thank you for being patient.
You're doing very well.
I was nervous before,
That's normal.
but now I understand more.
Good. That's important.
English is hard sometimes.
Yes, but you are doing great.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
I'm happy to help.
Okay, I'm ready now.
Okay, one middle seat for 7 o'clock.
Yes, please.
Great.
How much is the ticket?
It is $10.
$10. Okay.
Cash or card?
Sorry?
Cash or card?
Oh, card, please.
Okay,
Here you are.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Please wait one moment.
Okay.
Here is your card,
Thank you.
and here is your ticket.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
The movie is at 7 o'clock, right?
Yes, that's right.
Theater 2 downstairs.
Correct.
Okay, great.
Do you need anything else?
No, I'm okay now.
Wonderful.
I was very nervous before.
You did very well.
Really?
Yes, your English was clear.
Thank you. That makes me happy.
I hope you enjoy the movie.
Thank you. I think I will.
Have a nice evening.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. I did it.
Yes, you did.
Mia, you did a great job.
Thank you. I feel much better now.
You were nervous before,
Yes, very nervous.
but you did it.
Yes, I bought the ticket by myself.
That's wonderful.
Thank you for helping me practice.
Of course, I'm here for you.
I think the practice helped a lot.
Yes, let's review together.
Okay.
First, what did you say?
First, I said, I want to buy a ticket.
Very good.
Then the worker asked about the movie time.
Right. What did you ask?
I asked, can you say that again?
Perfect.
Then I chose the 7 o'clock movie.
Yes, you did.
After that, we talked about the seat.
Front seat or middle seat?
Yes, at first I did not understand,
That's okay.
but the worker explained it slowly.
And then?
Then I said, middle seat, please.
Excellent.
After that, I asked, how much is the ticket?
Great job remembering.
The ticket was $10.
Right.
Then I paid with my card.
Yes, you stayed calm the whole time.
I tried my best.
And your English was very clear.
Really?
Yes, you're doing well.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
That makes me happy.
I still make small mistakes sometimes.
That's normal. Mistakes are okay.
Yes, I understand that now.
Learning takes time.
Thank you for saying that.
You should feel proud today.
I do feel proud now.
Good.
Next time, I want to try again by myself.
I think you can do it.
Thank you, Daniel.
You're welcome, Mia.
Okay, let's go watch the movie now.
Yes, let's go.
Great job listening today. You stayed with the story until the end. And Mia did something very important. She felt nervous at first, but step by step, she spoke English, asked questions, and bought her ticket successfully. This story reminds us that simple English is enough. You do not need perfect English. You only need to try, speak slowly, and keep practicing. Now, let's remember today's listening question. What movie time did Mia finally choose? If you know the answer, please write it in the comments. You can write a short answer in simple English. That is wonderful practice for your listening and writing skills. And remember, mistakes are okay. This is a safe place to learn English together. If this video helped you feel calmer and more confident, please like and subscribe for more slow and easy English stories. And if you would like to support the channel more, you can also check the membership options below. Thank you for learning with me today. Take your time, keep practicing, and little by little, your English will grow stronger. See you again in the next story.